Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's first just press up or down volume button of our device here, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just click once on the bell icon, and after that you'll see here that our calls and notifications, they will be muted. So this means that we just successfully turned on silent mode on our device. If you want to turn off the silent mode, just click here once again on this bell icon, and that's it. We can see the message that our calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.